President Donald Trump and his aides have argued that the CDC should change its coronavirus death toll methodology, the Daily Beast reported on Wednesday. The Daily Beast cited 5 sources as saying that the White House had pushed for a different system that could produce a lower figure for U.S. deaths. The sources said that Dr. Deborah Birx had lobbied for 2 categories of deaths to be excluded: people who likely had COVID-19 but did not have test confirmation, and people who definitely had COVID-19 but may have died from unrelated causes. A CDC official defended its method of counting and said that if anything the figures were too low. Visit Business Insider's homepage for more stories. President Donald Trump and members of the White House's coronavirus task force have put pressure on the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to alter how it counts virus deaths, the Daily Beast reported on Wednesday. The outlet cited 5 unnamed administration officials working on the government's coronavirus response as saying that Trump was pushing for a new methodology that could lead to a lower U.S. death toll. Sources told the Daily Beast that Dr. Deborah Birx, the task force's response coordinator, had urged the CDC to exclude 2 categories of people from its death count: people who were presumed to have the virus but didn't have confirmed test results, and people who did have the virus but may not have died from it. The U.S. had reported more than 82,300 coronavirus deaths as of Wednesday, according to Johns Hopkins University data. The CDC counts coronavirus deaths by tallying data from local health departments and data from a death certificate digital coding system, according to the Daily Beast. One official told the news outlet that Trump worried that the criteria were so broad that it could include somebody with COVID-19 who died from falling down the stairs. A task force official told the Daily Beast that the White House was pushing for changes because of genuine concern for the integrity of the data rather than any desire to obscure the reality. Bob Anderson, the CDC's mortality statistics chief, defended its methods, telling the Daily Beast that doctors were already specifically asked to say whether the coronavirus caused the death. "We're almost certainly underestimating the number of deaths," he added. Trump has publicly supported the CDC's numbers, though other reports have described him and his circle as suspicious that the figures are too high.